Hi, I'm Josey Prior, and we're going to be going over Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana, or extended big toe pose, which is quite the balancing act. It's kind of one of those postures where your standing foot starts in one place and ends up off the mat or a foot away from you sometimes. That's okay, we wobble and we stumble, we're going to work through it. We'll begin by just beginning to feel into that balance. Let's ground through our left leg. Press into your left big toe, beginning to just visualize ourselves standing on one leg. Begin by just lifting right heel off the mat, beginning to shift our weight. We're going to draw right knee into the chest. Holding here nice and slow, beginning to feel into that balance. When you are ready, you can release the right hand. Peace fingers, so first two fingers and thumb are going to grab for the big toe, right in between the big toe and the second toe. You can press your thumb into the big toenail and extend the foot outward. It doesn't have to be straight today. Left hand can come to the waist. Extending the foot outward, gazing forward. If you'd like, you can find a bend in the elbow and fold forward a little here. Coming up tall when you need to. We have the option to open up the hip. So swinging that right leg out to the side. Either keeping the gaze forward, or maybe shifting the gaze over that left shoulder, really testing our balance here. Left arm can come out for a little extra balance, or left hand can stay at the waist nice and strong. Try to keep those hips in line. Sometimes the right foot is going to want to come up nice and high. Try to keep it nice and in line. We'll slowly come through center. Slowly draw the knee into the chest, hug it in. Release the right foot down. Another option is to come into the big toe pose directly rather than coming up slowly, grabbing the knee. We'll try another version. This might need a little extra flexibility in the back of the leg, so we'll test it out. Left hand to the waist. You're going to flex through your right foot, flexing the foot up by pressing the heel onto the mat. Bring those peace fingers out in front of you, getting ready to catch the toe. Give a little bit of momentum. We're just going to swing the right leg up, maybe grabbing the toe, maybe not. Just another entrance. Maybe finding that fold. Maybe finding that opening up of the leg. And of course, doing both sides, however you want to get there. Grabbing for that left big toe. And taking whichever variation you would like today. Evening out those sides. Doing them both for an equal time. Moving slow and mindfully.